بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are waiting for exercise. Now open page 10 and look at exercise 1b. Question number 1. Encircle the even numbers. If you remember even numbers, you can solve easily. Look, number 1, 17, 8, 10, 9, 14, 19, 3, 5, 6, 1, 12, 15, 24, 31, 16, 32, 18, 27, 22 and 13. You will find even numbers and you will circle as I circle 8. Same like this, you will circle even numbers. I have done one for you and other numbers you will circle. Other even numbers you will circle in question number 1. Come to question number 2. Encircle the odd numbers. I know you remember the odd numbers. Odd numbers I have done for you. 13 is odd number. That's why I circle 13 here. And 83 is circled. Other numbers you will find and then you will circle by self. Look at question number 3. Which even number comes after the given number? You will write after numbers and after numbers are even here. All after numbers are even in this question. Now look, 1 is done for you. 29 after number is 30. 30 is even number. Look at B part. I have done it for you. 19. The after number is 20 and 20 is even number. What is after number 15? 25. What comes after 9? What comes after 13? What comes after 55? And this one I have done for you. 49 after number is 50 and 50 is even number. Come to question number 4. Which odd number comes before the given number? You will write before numbers. Same as first one is done for you. The before number is 35 of 36. I have done B part for you. Before number of 14 is 13. Look, another one, D number part. Before number of 38 is 37. Same like this, you will fill these blanks. Come to question number 5. Write the missing even numbers in the given sequence. Listen, students. Some of the numbers are already done for you. But listen to me, you will do same like me, you will add 2 more numbers. Look at 12. If you add 2 with 12, the next number will be 14. If you add 2 with 14, the next number will be 16. If you add 2 with 16, the next number will come 18. Yes. Then add 2 with 18, next number is 20. And these all lines will become even numbers. Look, I have done one another for you. 26, 24, 8, 2 with 22, then 24 will come, and 8, 2 with 24, then another number will be 26. So you will fill these blanks in this sequence. Come to question number 6. Write the missing odd numbers in the given sequence. Students, you will do this question same like question number 5. Look at the sequence first. 15. If you add 2 with 15, the next number is 17. Now add 2 with 17, the next number is 19. Yes, very good. 19. And then add 2 with 19, next is 21. And same like this, add 2 with 21, the next number you will write here in the blank. And look, another I have done for you, 29. Add 29 with 2. The next number is 31 and it is odd number. In this sequence you will fill these blanks. Flip the page and look at page 12. Question number 7. Identify even and odd numbers. Color even numbers in red and odd numbers in blue. Remember students, in this table there are 0 to 99 numbers and you will color two colors, red and blue, but you will give red color to those numbers which are even and you will color odd numbers in blue. Same like me, I have done some of the blanks in book. Look, 0, 10, 20 are even numbers. That is why I colored it in red. Look at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 23, 37. These all are odd number. That's why I color odd number in blue. You will color all the numbers and this is your homework. Color it carefully, neat. Don't use another color, just red and blue. Okay students, I hope you will do this work very happily and you will take interest. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.